Homemade liqueur is so easy with the magical butter machine.
Peppermint. It is just so fresh. It's so easy to grow. And the more you cut it, the better it does. So I'm going to make some peppermint liqueur with my magic butter machine. And let's see how easy that is.
After cutting my peppermint, I wash them by sloshing them up and down in a sink of water. Then I set them on a rack to drain and wilt overnight.
Okay, now you can see from the picture below how many leaves the fresh peppermint made. And this is what I'm reduced to when they dry wilted overnight. Now I need about 2 cups of this, so I'm going to chop it up and make sure that I have 2 cups. Now in the magical butter machine you normally don't need to chop things up, but with these being kind of viney, they will wrap around the stir, so I need to chop them up in not tiny pieces, but I do need to chop them up a little bit. I'm going to put in my peppermint, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of water, and 2 cups of vodka. Now if I'd wanted to make this just a little bit stronger, I could have substituted 1/2 cup of Everclear for a 1/2 cup of the vodka. Now all I've got to do is secure the lid, plug it in, set my timer for 160 degrees, and 1 hour. Now all we need to do is wait.
Now I will list the recipe in the description bar, but it's 2 cups of dry wilted peppermint leaves, 2 cups of vodka, 2/3 cup of sugar, and 2/3 cup of water.
Okay, it's been an hour. My machine has beeped to let me know that it's ready. Let's take the lid off of this. You can kind of see how those kind of wrap around there. I'm going to unplug this just to make it easier. Boy, you cannot believe this mint aroma. Now it's just a matter of pouring it in here. Now you don't have to have a magic butter filter press, but I really do like this. See how fast that goes through there? This is green, so you're just going to have to get used to the idea that it's green and not clear because we use fresh peppermint. Now just use that stomper. Just look how much more I'm getting out of there. Now if you make just a plain alcohol tincture with peppermint, it really does not catch that aroma. You really need the sugar and water in there to really catch the aroma. Now if you do a glyceride, it catches the aroma, and I can't wait for this to cool off a little bit so I can see how it tastes. See that green? Now you know this was made from fresh green peppermint. Now you can't get this at a store.
Enjoy this simply pouring it over ice. Enjoy a peppermint patty. Equal amounts of peppermint liqueur that you made, cocoa liqueur, and cream or half and half. Add it to hot chocolate. And it really gets better after about a week because it kind of mellows out. And you might be an herbalist if you call a liqueur an elixir. Like, subscribe, and share for more homemade liqueur recipes.